What's up guys, welcome to Tens of Tech YouTube channel. Huawei has finally, against all the odds, is going to launch its new flagship device Huawei Mate 30, which is great news for the tech lover just like me, as this device is going to be one of the most powerful device in terms of specifications. Mate 30 Pro is coming along with other devices on September 19, just literally a few hours are remaining. We got set of images of all Mate 30 family, Mate 30 Lite, Mate 30 Pro and a new special edition for Mate 30 Pro RS. We have new hands-on videos and a mini unboxing video as well. First, we should talk about the display in Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Well, Mate 30 has high quality 14 by 40 pixel Super AMOLED display. Edges are covered with screen, making it in the list of waterfall display. Well, to be honest, display is awesome, making aesthetically the device more appealing. As we see, waterfall display is gaining some popularity, and in future we see more waterfall display in other devices. With waterfall display in Mate 30, we have minimal chins, and with notch we have multiple cameras. Along with that, we will have an in-display fingerprint scanner and a 3D face scanner. Cameras on the front may have a wide-angle selfie camera along with telephoto lens. We see much improvements when we look at the front cameras, as Huawei has upgraded their front camera and the iris scans from the previous Mate 20, and this year we see some real improvement in selfie department from Huawei. On the back, we see some awesome 4-camera setup in a circular shape is make a hell of a difference, and if we look at these in images, we are seeing that this look is awesome, but when a real video is shown, it may not look awesome. But anyhow, what is inside matters rather than outside look. Well, if we talk about the camera, we have a main 40 megapixel camera. Along with that, we have another 40 megapixel cine lens and two other cameras, micro and a telephoto lens. And one thing which is officially been confirmed, that Mate 30 Pro camera can shoot 7680 frames per second slow motion. Wow man, this is amazing. This is incredibly amazing, because this frame rate of 7680 makes the Huawei Mate 30 the world first phone to record such a slow-mo frame rate. Normally we can record a 960 frame per second slow motion video inside the devices, but Huawei has made a hell of a difference right now. This is only been possible just because of the large sensor which are added inside the Mate 30 Pro. Along with that, we will also see for the first time in a mobile phone a video night mode. Yes, that's true. Huawei Mate 30 will come with a night mode video shooting, which makes me really love this device even more, and this has been because of the 40 megapixel large sensor which is coming inside. And along with that, we will also see that it also comes with a 990 processor. It has also include a naturally professional camera like depth of field along with 30x digital zoom. This is insane man. Well, along with Mate 30 Pro, we have a non-Pro model which has two cameras on the front and the display is flat. We will also see there is a minimal change on the Mate 30. It includes most of the features which are in Pro model, but there are some features which are exclusive to the Pro model. While we have a Mate 30 Lite variant as well, it will be a super budgeted phone which could possibly have an LCD with a punch hole camera on the display. Along with these three models, we will see a new special edition Mate 30 Pro RS, which would be a super premium phone which include a premium feature just like the 55-watt of fast charging, a 5G support, more RAM, more storage, and since it's a premium model, it will be a super expensive. Huawei Mate 30 Pro will also come with 4 different colors: green, black, lavender pink, and a blue color. Well, all colors are decent, but according to my choice, I will go for the blue color. Well, this device has a 4500 mAh of a battery and a 44-watt of fast charging, and we have also have a reverse wireless charging which is improved from the previous generation Mate family, and the list goes on and on in terms of hardware. But what it lacks is the software side, where we will see an Android 10 which is based on EMUI 10, but it will come without Google Play services, which is kind of a deal breaker for many people. I certainly feel that technology should not be restricted, but anyhow, we hope that Huawei will get the lessons soon from Google. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, consider subscribing. Peace out.